Part 1. Raising your vibration frequency. Raising your vibration means taking action to vibrate at a higher frequency. The higher you vibrate, the better you will feel, psychically, mentally, and emotionally. Every aspect of your life will be improved as you get more in touch with your higher self. Part 2. What does raising your vibration means? Everything in the universe is made of energy. Different energy frequencies vibrate differently. Your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, your actions, and those vibrations you put out to the universe shape your life. The higher you vibrate, the sooner you manifest your desires into reality. Part 3. Why should you raise your vibration? As Albert Einstein said, everything in life is vibration. A vibration is a state of being, the atmosphere, or the energetic quality of a person, place, thought, or thing. Part 4. Ways to raise your vibration to manifest. Focus on goals that inspire you. Indulge in a healthy habit. Forget about the past, it's over. Maintain a sense of humor. Avoid negative people. Be yourself and love who you are. Add these to your daily routine, show gratitude. Meditate. Connect with nature. Prioritize self-care. Visualize your dream. Spread positivity. Eat clean. Drink sufficient water. Practice yoga. Part 5. Signs of high vibration. 1. Animals and children are drawn to you. 2. Strangers easily approach you. 3. You experience synchronicities. 4. New relationships feel effortless. 5. Everything is working out in your favor. 6. Seeing numbers 1111, 444, 333, etc. frequently. 7. Harmony in all your relationships. 8. Feeling safe. 9. Positive change in interests. 10. You let go of things that no longer serve you. 11. You cross paths with more conscious people. 12. Heightened intuition. 13. Greater feelings of gratitude. Sending you love and positive vibrations. Namaste.